everybody, it's Renee from Tailspin Farm, and I am hopping on today to wish you a Happy New Year. Today is Monday, January 2nd, and this is just going to be a quick little video today. I got a package in the mail. I thought I'd do an unboxing to start out our year here on the channel and show you what I ordered. And just to wish you a Happy New Year. I hope you all had a fantastic Christmas. We actually just had our family Christmas with our kids this weekend. So the last one just flew home today, and today has been a day of cleaning and putting away Christmas, and I'm done. So that's what I've been doing all day, is cleaning and running to the airport and everything. So I have just a little bit to finish up tomorrow, and bedding, which when you've got, I don't know, there was 14 people in the house this weekend, I think. There's a lot of bedding to do, so I'll work on that tomorrow. But the majority of the house is cleaned up and cleared away, and hubby helped me with Christmas decorations, so those have all been put away and back into the storage, and I am looking forward to a new year. I have lots of plans for this year, for this channel, for my hobby business that I have with yarn and the Angora rabbits and things like that, but that'll be a different video. I think this one's just going to be a quick one. I actually just got back in from getting the mail, and I had a package I wanted to show you. This one is from Crafty Housewife Yarns, which if you're not familiar with them, you can go check them out. That's their name on. So we're just going to open this up, and I wanted to show you Crafty Housewife Yarns is run by Erin James, and she does an amazing job with, I guess, curating yarn from small farmers and things like that. And so, I got it. I thought maybe I need a pair of scissors. And a lot of these yarns and things come from fiber farms, and so I wanted to place an order. This all comes from the same place. Yeah, Cestari. I'm not going to get that right, but there's the name, C-E-S-T-A-R-I, Cestari. So I ordered and I need to go check my email because I forgot they were going to be emailing. This is actually a shawl pattern with these colors. I can't remember what the shawl is, but I will put it down below in the comments. So this is, and you can find this farm also on they're on Instagram. They have their own website. And this is 75% cotton, 25% wool. So I am I love having, I have a lot of heavy winter shawls and things that I can wear, but I don't have a lot of lightweight ones. Most of mine, I have a couple that are lighter weight, but most of mine are really heavy winter shawls, and I would love to get some in between, like fall, spring types shawls, and this one will be perfect. So this is the Ashlon collection. Yes. So this is, and it's going to be bad. I apologize for the lighting. I just kind of decided to do this when I saw this in the mailbox. So the lighting is not great. This color is actually mint, and it is 3.5 ounces. And this color is natural white. And again, let's see, I don't know if you can be able to see these great. This is Timber Wolf Gray. That's coming through pretty good. And then Lilac Heather, which purple is my favorite color, so that this is kind of the color that attracted me to this kit. And again, I'll try to remember to put the name of the shawl pattern that this goes with in the this box below so that you can find it if you'd like. So that's one of the kits that Crafty Housewife Yarn sells. And then I ordered, I don't know what I'm going to do with this, but I was thinking a sweater. So I ordered, I ordered quite a few skeins of this. And this is, ooh, it's lovely. This is the Rainbow Collection. It's 50% wool, 50% cotton. It is 2-ply fingering weight, so this would also be, and this is a very shamrock green. It's a real green, although it's muted a little bit. It's a super pretty green, kind of a Kelly green, but a little bit muted, and it's called Charity Green, and this is kettle dyed, and this is also from the same. My dishwasher's having issues. So their website is cestarisheep.com, CESTARI sheep.com. So I have quite a few. How many skeins did I order? 2, 4, 6, 8. I must have ordered 10 skeins of this, because that's one of my goals this year. I talked about it in one of my Vlogmas. I have a couple goals with knitting and crocheting. One of them is to finish off some of my projects that I have. And in that video, I showed just a few of the things that I have not completed. So I'm going to do, that will probably be the next video coming up. I'm going to do like, I don't know if I'm going to do a finisher challenge in order to try to finish off our whips that we are still working through. That's one of my things that I want to work on this year. I'm also going to be putting together a project book. As I was gathering all of my projects together, I'd pull one out and then I'd find another one tucked in the bag, and I've forgotten how many projects I actually have not finished. So I'm going to finish some projects this year, is one of my goals. I'm going to put together a project book so that I have the name of the project that I'm working on, when I started it, the yarns I used, and maybe put a couple pictures in there, either like maybe after pictures once I finish, or pictures of the yarn. I'm going to kind of do a journal type project book, and put together that so that I can kind of keep better track of patterns and names of things, and the people who make the patterns. I'd like to be able to remember that. So that's another one of my goals. And my third big goal, just in knitting and crocheting stuff, is I would like to do a complete sweater. I have done a poncho before. I've knit, is that knit or crochet? I can't remember. I've done a couple of big knit projects. I've done a knit cardigan, or I'm sorry, crochet projects. I've done a crocheted cardigan. I've done a crocheted poncho. I did do a knit vest last year, but it wasn't a full sweater. So my goal is to complete a full sweater this year, and I actually have one partway done, which I need to finish this year. But I would like, that's kind of what I was thinking of with this green yarn, was to do a full sweater with it. So I need to be on the hunt for a sweater pattern. There are just some beautiful sweater patterns out there right now with the yolks that have, I don't even know what it's called, when you have different colors within the yarns. So yeah, that's one of my many goals for the year. So I just wanted to show you that. If you want to go over and give Crafty Housewife Yarns a look, I'll put their link down below in the description box. And again, just popping on to say Happy New Year to everybody. And I hope you've had fabulous holidays and enjoyed time with family. And here is to 2023. I have lofty goals. I have lots of ideas, and I'm hoping to accomplish some of those goals this year. So have a great night.